Atmosphere like that, you'd be sweating actually, because it's very warm right above this marine layer here we're talking about. In the mid-90s when you go several thousand feet up there, there's that layer. So that's kind of good in a way, because that's very light air, and this denser, because it's cold air, that's going to kind of keep it more lethargic today. It's be harder to break away. But as far as warming up, yeah, you're going to be warming up at those inland spots, at the water park, all over those inland valleys. You're going to see those numbers still get up there in the 90s and chip it away at a little bit. We'll be about 100 plus in a couple selective spots we'll talk about. Again, East Bay shoreline, you see the fog still kind of entrenched there at the ground. It's being compressed a little bit because of that hot air that's on top of us a little bit with the high. So in some spots along the coast, it may be trouble clearing, and you may actually see numbers really stark, because it's going to be kind of chilly in spots along the coast today, potentially falling only into the mid-60s, maybe even less than that. So as we get into Monday, here's the marine layer coming back again. That's nice to see. Get some of that moisture inland a little bit here. Combats fires and so forth. Strange little shower that fires up there around, it looks like Yosemite. And then into Tuesday morning, we have the marine layer back in force. Might even see some morning drizzle along the East Bay shoreline. So at this point, Tuesday seems to be our best day. Wednesday, though, one of the hottest. Onshore winds in the afternoon, they keep pulsating. That's good. Continue to bring that marine layer inward a little bit, provide some cooling that we can get, but it's still that high above us that keeps us in the official heat wave. 76 for Antioch at this hour, 70 Livermore, 60s East Bay shoreline. Want to go to humidity real quick. Yeah, they drop off in the afternoon. We expect that. Hot air can, quote, hold more moisture in it, so the numbers should be lower. That tells us it's not too dry inland a bit. There's a nice recovery in the morning hours. Sometimes during those offshore wind events that are not as hot as this, we don't see that nice recovery. So the marine layer is really snapping a good effort here. Hot inland, warm for the bay. Bay fog does clear by late morning. That is for the bay folks. Again, along the coast, different story. Early in the week, we got a little break in this heat now. Inland temperatures, 90s, might even see even some upper 80s potentially by Tuesday. But as we get later in the week, Wednesday and Thursday, 2 days to watch. That's when we're talking about 1 to 105 returning. That's why they have the heat advisory, the excessive heat warning for most of the bay. They may even potentially drag that out till Thursday and change. So this is organic. We'll let you know. 70 for San Francisco, clearing ultimately and warm. 77 for Oakland, 94 for San Jose. There's the big map. We still have the purples. Lavenders, I don't know if that's lavender. Purples, 103 for Antioch. Next couple of days, check it out, 104. 97, 95. Hey, that's a pretty nice little graphic there. Maybe we won't do the 7-day today. We'll just have that up there. Look at that there, 'cause that's nice. Yeah. But Wednesday, Thursday, different story, and they might extend this into out till Thursday if Thursday numbers hold up like that. So.
Ooh, okay. All right, well, we'll take whatever small cool down we can
get. Little break. And next weekend is really starting to look good, too. So.
Okay, all right, fingers crossed.
Yes,
all right.
This will end.
Thanks, Dave. Well, childcare was a